Hi everyone, my name is Ram and welcome back to my channel. It was a very long time since I posted here anything. It was, I think, about 3 years ago. The last video was published here. And I had a couple of rough years, to be honest, but who hadn't, right? I had a couple of very hard family tragedies that hit me hard, and then this COVID stuff, which I actually caught. And I had like very interesting experience. I'm still having a weird sense of taste, and I can't eat eggs anymore. It's like a disaster, but hopefully maybe in a year or two, maybe someday it will get to normal, but I'm not really hopeful in that. And all of this time I was working, of course, and I was working mostly with React on the front end and a couple of other technologies, but mostly React. And on the front end, ASP.NET Core with C#. But some languages just can't leave me alone, and these are like very pragmatic functional languages like Elixir or Elm. And Elixir actually caught my fancy really hard, and I just so excited about the LiveView Phoenix, brilliant set of technology. I think it's just amazing. It's so brilliant, it's so elegant, just wow. And I decided that I want to get back to video creation, but maybe with some fixes. And the first one is I do not want to focus anymore on this series of videos that I tried to create before, because all of the series were never finished. And it's always kind of a guilt all the time that, hey, you need to finish this series, you need to finish this series, and oh man, it's just devastating. So I decided that I will create videos only like self-contained videos. So we have one topic and we develop the whole thing from start to finish in one go. Well, that means that it will maybe in length it will be an hour, hour and a half, but at the same time it will be self-contained. You do not need to actually watch it or wait for other stuff to come out, and it will not be like a guilt trip for me, like, okay, I have like 3 series I need to finish. So that's the one thing. The other thing is it's going to be the development blog. So everything that caught my fancy, that excites me, that's what I'm going to post about and rave about. Mostly, right? So it's not going to be so much of educational, so I'm going to teach you how to do stuff. It's just mostly like I want to share with you how to do stuff with this technology and what I find amazing. And the first thing that I want to do in near future is just to develop one feature but using different technology stacks. So this way you can actually compare how to develop, for example, in React and how to do the same thing with LiveView or something like that. Or if you're just interested in one technology, then you just can use that one, just watch it and learn stuff from it. But we'll see how it goes. You never know with these plans, right? So yeah, let me know in the comment below if you, if you like me to get back, or if you hate my guts. Also, just leave a comment below. It's always welcome. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.